Hello friends, welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm gonna share with you 10 useful tips for organizing your purses and bags. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Let's start with a very simple method, which is storing bags on a shelf. It can be a separate shelf in a closet where you can neatly place all the bags and purses. Or it can be a space underneath the hanging clothes in a wardrobe. Basically, if you dedicate a shelf in a wardrobe, closet or in a hallway, you can easily keep your accessories there. It's easy to keep your handbags in a wardrobe or in a closet using special belt hangers like this one. It works especially well for small purses. This compact method of storage doesn't break the bank nor take up much space. All the purses are on display and are easily accessible. Multi-use hanger like this is another way to hang your bags. With the help of any type of metal hooks, you can hang bags of all sizes. A tiered storage arrangement will fit with any wardrobe while keeping your handbags well organized. If you want, you can add other accessories like belts and scarves to the mix. There is room for everything. Alternatively, you can use over-the-door hangers to organize the bags. Install it on the inner side of the door of your closet or a wardrobe. The main advantage of this method is that it barely uses any space in the closet itself, yet keeps the purses hidden and protected from the dust and sunlight anyway, as well as keeping them within reach. I am sure many of you are already familiar with the hanging storage with compartments that extends the functionality of any closet. Of course, it can be used for storing bags. Just put them in the compartments and that's it. The bags and purses are all on their right spots and you don't have to reach far down or climb on a chair to grab one, because they are at your eye level. Let me show you my recent purchase. This is a multifunctional door organizer for storing things on a door. You can install it on an interior door and hang bags of all sizes and as many as you want on it. The main advantage of this method is that you can easily grab any bag you want and then just as easily return it after you are done with it. And of course, you can hang other accessories besides purses here as well. There is a place for everything on this hanger. A dresser is definitely my favorite way of storing pretty much anything, so I couldn't help but include it to the list. For a better result, I suggest you put small boxes inside the drawer to sort the bags out and keep them in place. You'll love this option if you are the owner of multiple clutches and small purses. Everything will be neatly and compactly organized in one place and a joy to look at. Method number 8 is simple and easy. Hang the bags directly on the rail in a closet or a wardrobe using metal hooks like this. If you don't have a lot of handbags and even less space in the closet, this method will help you with organizing purses without extra cost. You might find this particular method helpful. These special boxes for closet storage are great for organizing handbags in one place. Carefully put the bags in the box and put the box away in the closet. Easy peasy! By the way, when storing bags in the boxes, you can categorize them by size, season and purpose. If your bag or purse came with a special dust bag, you can just keep your bags in them. Hang them any way you like. The classic way is, of course, hanging it on a rail by the hooks. These dust bags protect from dust, sunlight and moisture, keeping the purse as good as new. Another advantage of this method is that the size of the bag doesn't matter. Any model will fit just fine. And the question of the day is, how do you store your purses? And which one of my methods did you like the most? If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!